Spears Computer World here with the AOMEI or AOMEI OneKey Recovery. It allows you to perform a one-key system backup or a one-key system recovery. A one-key system backup will back up your entire system to allow you to restore, to back up your system completely in the case of a failure. And then you have a one-key system recovery. Now, most of your recent computers come with a partition that allows you to recover your operating system. It also allows you to factory reset that system. I've dealt with older model computers or some computers that don't have that backup partition or that system recovery partition, and then you have to go and maybe find the disk that came with the original software, or you have to go and order the new software. But this allows you to make that system recovery. It makes the partition based on your C component, and it backs up everything so that you can get back to where you left off. So we'll go with the one key system backup. And what you can do is you can back up system to the AOMEI OneKey recovery partition, or you can back up to the other location. Now it says if you go with this option, the image of the system will be saved to the AOMEI OneKey recovery partition. If you go this route, it'll be saved to another location, such as an internal hard drive. You can do an external hard drive or even a flash drive. So it solely depends on what you want to do. But for the sake of this review and for the sake of us showing you what it can do, we'll go with the next. And what happens is the program will create the factory partition on the selected partition below. And since my computer I'm using has a partition, I'm not going to go any further than this, other than to maybe show you what's next. Okay, so from here it'll show you the preview and confirm. It says after creating the factory recovery partition, the changes of your partition layout on the system will be as follow. Note that the program will take 56 gigs approximately free space from the partition C you selected in the previous step to create the factory recovery partition. And so as you can see, before creating the recovery partition, it lets me know the space that I'll have and the things that will go on. But then once I create the recovery, as you notice, I have the AOMEI or AOMEI boot and the AOMEI recovery partition. Okay, so I'm going to go back and say you want to go back up system to a other location. Well, you can name that you can name that file name, and then you can specify a destination folder. Now let's look at the one key system recovery. You can restore system by selecting a system image file. So based on once you back up your system, you're able to then load up a system recovery file. So I'll retract on what I said earlier. Okay, the one key system backup creates a backup and a recovery partition. The one key system recovery is based on the file that is created here, the recovery partition, that you're able to then load and restore from here. Okay, now duly noted is that you can restore system by using the image file in the AOMEI OneKey recovery partition as well, but of course we didn't create that. Now to look into some of the let's see, the settings, it has the options available to be used because you have not made a backup for your system after the system backup the option will become available. So as you can see, I'm unable to click that because I don't have a system backup yet. And you're able to also get some online help, check for updates, and check out information about the software developer. You're also able to, I guess, kind of refresh and initialize some things here. And of course, the basic minimize and exit out of the program. You can also go to the website of the AOMEI technology. It'll give you pretty much everything you need to know. You may say, well, why do I need to make a recovery partition? It gives you that information. It'll walk you through whatever it is that you need here to ensure that you're able to back up your system the way that you're supposed to back it up. And so this is Spears Computer World, and we've reviewed and kind of taken a brief look at the AOMEI, or as I like to say the AOMEI OneKey Recovery Partition software. And so if you have any questions on this video, please leave a comment at the bottom or check out our blog entry at spearscomputerworld.com. Thank you.